Power that never stops. 2025 flagship killer Realme GT7 series, launched in India starting at 28,999. Realme GT7 featuring 7,000 mAh massive battery, 120W Ultra Charge. India's first MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset is available in 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 512GB variants, starting at 34,999 rupees with first sale starting from 12 noon on 30th May 2025. Realme GT7 Dream Edition, co-created with the Aston Martin Formula One trademark symbol team, featuring a premium Aston Martin racing green finish, aerodynamic flow lines design, engraved silver wings emblem, is available in a 16GB plus 512GB variant at 49,999 rupees with first sale starting from 13th June 2025. Realme GT 70 features MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Max chipset, 7,000 mAh battery, iSense graphene back, and is offered in 8GB plus 256GB.
And I am the product strategy manager for Realme India. So today we are introducing the Realme GT7 series. It will have two products, and I just want to tell you some of the features which are not available in any of the competition device in this price segment. Start with the inception of the graphene design. So Realme GT7 series comes with the graphene design, which is first comes in any of the smartphone available in the industry. It basically helps users to get the temperature of the product on the lower side. Along with it, we also have a biggest 7700 millimeter square VC chamber, which altogether keeps and giving a 360-degree heat management system for the people who want to use this product for a longer period of time, even while they want to play games or watching videos and all. It is already launched on 27th of May, and first sales will start from 30th of May. Now, second thing, comes with world's first 9400E chipset, which is achieving a 2450K plus Antutu score, which is one of the highest available in the price segment, and it comes as the top 3 processors in any of the price segment. Along with it, we also have GT Boost and many AI functions like AI Planner, where user can, by just double tapping, create the meetings from any screen or images in anywhere. There are many other AI functions like AI Reply, AI Summarization, AI Voice Recording Summary, and many AI other functions. Like if I talk about some of the more AI functions from imaging point of view, then we have AI Landscape, AI Snap Mode, then AI Night Engine. There are many functions for videography and photography. When we talk about the camera, this device comes with 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 camera, and other than that we have 50 megapixel 2x telephoto and 112-degree 8 megapixel camera. Now, the biggest change and biggest improvement from the last generations comes in the videography, where this device can support up to 8K 30 FPS videography. 4K 120 FPS, there is not even a single product available in the price segment which can record 4K 120 FPS videography. Then it has also 4K 60 FPS SDR Dolby Vision, which is not also available in the competition products. It also supports 4K 60 FPS in front, 4K 120 FPS slow motion, 4K 30 FPS in time lapse. So whatever you record, everything you can record in the highest quality of 4K. So these all functions are available in GT7 series. This device, both the device will be available in 3 different variants: 8 plus 256 and 12 plus 256 and 12 plus 512GB variant. And this particular Dream Edition with Aston Martin will be available in one variant, 16 plus 512GB.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಸೋಮಶೇಖರ್. ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರ್ ಟೆಕಿ ಸೋಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ಮಿ GT7 70 ಇವೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ.